Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do a marshmallow job, step by step. First, understanding the foundational steps is key to success. You'll need to research local health and safety guidelines for food production and sales, especially in a vibrant community like the South Bronx. Gathering your core ingredients and specialized equipment, such as a reliable stand mixer and a precise candy thermometer, will set you up for a smooth and enjoyable marshmallow making experience. This preparation ensures quality and compliance. Now, let's dive into the exciting part, crafting your delicious marshmallows. Begin by blooming your gelatin in cold water for about 5 minutes. This crucial step ensures a smooth texture. Next, carefully boil your sugar syrup until it reaches exactly 240 degrees Fahrenheit, a precise temperature for perfect consistency. Finally, whip the bloomed gelatin and hot syrup together until the mixture becomes wonderfully light, fluffy, and significantly increased in volume. This process creates that signature marshmallow bounce. Once your marshmallow mixture is perfectly whipped, it's time for the finishing touches. Gently pour the warm, fluffy mixture into a prepared pan that has been lightly dusted with a mixture of powdered sugar and cornstarch. This prevents sticking. Allow your marshmallows to set undisturbed for at least 4 hours, or ideally overnight, to achieve the perfect firm yet tender texture. Afterward, carefully cut them into your desired shapes and give them a final generous dusting of powdered sugar for a beautiful, non-sticky finish. They are almost ready. Finally, let's talk about sharing your delightful creations within the South Bronx community. Consider connecting with local community centers or schools for potential events or workshops, offering a sweet treat. Explore opportunities at neighborhood farmers markets or small, independent shops to sell your artisanal marshmallows. Offering unique, perhaps culturally inspired, flavors can truly attract a diverse customer base and make your marshmallow job a beloved local staple. Enjoy bringing joy with every sweet bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.